Hi everyone. This is test 11, section 3. We're going to finish from 1 to 20. This is number 1. When you take a look at the equation, we have fraction. So better change into integer equation times 4, right? Because least common denominator is 4. So maybe you can try it this way. 3 times 4 is out. X minus 2 plus, don't forget 7 times 4 is still 28 equals, times 4 is 48, times 4 is 2x minus 2. So Polynomial you can simply simplify this way. X minus 2 of x minus 2. This one, when you move to the right, 2 times x minus 2. So over here, 2 times x minus 2. Total is 5 times x minus 2 equals 48 to the right minus 28 equals 20. So from here, x minus 2 equals to 4 and x equals 6. Choice C is the answer. Here's number 2, the solution to the equation. So just solve it, okay? 5x squared minus 30 equals x squared plus 34. So minus x squared, you got the 4x squared plus 30 both sides 64. X squared is 16 and x equals what? We have two solutions, okay? 4 and negative 4, okay? Choice D is the answer. So we have two guys, Albert and Bunny. They are apart 1,000 feet. Each person works at steady space toward each other, okay? So they're gonna move. Albert here, Bunny here, they're gonna move, right? Toward each other. This guy's 3 feet per second. The other guy's 4 feet per second. But this got a little faster, okay? They might have met around over here, okay? But they're gonna have right the same time. The distance between these two guys is 100 feet. So 3 times t, that is distance is 1. This is distance to sum of this distance will be 100. So 3 times t plus 4 times t must be equals to 100. So 70 equals 100. T equals 100 over 7. But we're going to find the distance Albert of it, D1, okay? So distance D1 equals 100 over 7 times 3 seconds, all right? 100 times 3 seconds will be 300 over 7, okay? Choice B is the answer. Number 4, just to simplify this one. This is 4 terms, maybe you can try the group factor. The first is a common factor is x squared. X plus y. Second one is difference inside is y, x plus y, not minus. We got common factor here, okay? X plus y. This is 1 there. X squared minus 1, continuous factor, okay? X plus 1 and x minus 1. Okay, choice D is the answer, okay? Here is number 5. Which of the following values, solutions? You have an inequality, okay? Maybe you can check out all these 4 options. Negative 4, 3, and 4, and 5. Or maybe you can find a graph over here. This is a graph we will pass through the 3 and 5, okay? This is the graph. We have 2 x-intercept. For what value of x, y less than 0? This side, minus. Okay? So the number should be between 3 and 5. Okay? So choice 4 is the answer. Okay? Well, you can check it out. Here is number 6. Which of the following equivalent to the expressions above? When you take a look over here, that is in Vertex form. You're going to change this into Vertex form. This 2 is what? X squared minus 5x and plus 3x minus 2x and minus 15 and plus 10. So this is equals to x squared minus 2x and minus 5. What is the vertex one? Already half of these numbers, x minus 1. When you expand this one, that is a positive one. To have a negative 1, we must subtract negative 6. Okay? So this is x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 6 is equals to negative 5. Okay, with the solutions, choice D is the answer, okay? Here is the number 7. You have a right triangle. The area of ABC whole area is 96. AD is 9. BD is 15. So this is 9, 15, this is 12, right? 3, 4, 5. So 96 over here. This area is base times height and divided by 2. Base is AC times height is and divided by 2. Don't forget we need divided by 2, right? That triangle. That is equals to 96. AC equals, maybe you can simplify. 96 over 6 is 16. Okay, what is the length of this one? 16 minus 9. Okay, that is the length of this side. 7 is the answer. Okay. Here is the number 8. Which one could be the graph of this? The equation of this graph. We have right 3 x-intercept, but this is multiplicity 2. That means our graph will be bounced. This is the path. Okay, so this bounce is what graph will be even degree. Okay, the negative 1 is what? Negative 1 is positive 1. They're gonna have this factors square over 4 or 6. But when you take over here, there's no 4 over here. Okay, that is even numbers, but it should be 2. Over here, 1 over here, they generate x minus 1 and x minus 2. They're gonna have right all these factors. Okay, but we're gonna check right the end of a graph. When x go to infinite, y go to negative infinity. That is negative infinity. We have two choices over here. This is not working. This two is working. But when x go to infinite, y go to negative infinity. Which one? Only choice D, right? X is what? X cube is the leading terms. When x go to infinite, when you put the number negative, now y go to negative infinity. Okay, choice D is the answer. Okay, so we have to check the end of a graph. Okay, here is the number 9. 3x plus 4y equals 12. So this is 3x plus 4y equals 12. When x equals 0, y equals 3. When y equals 0, x equals 4, right? Yeah, we have a 2, x and y intercept. So M is a perpendicular line at a point. Perpendicular line and pass through the origin. That's a perpendicular. This point is what? A and B. Okay. So the slope of this one, we're gonna find the value of A, the intersection coordinate of our intersection point. Maybe you can try one of this way. Find out the equation of this line and find the value of x. This one equals to slope is negative 3 over 4. The other one is slope is what? Perpendicular 4 over 3. So x and y intercept is 0. Okay, so we got two equations. The first one is y equals, this one is how much? Negative 3 over 4x and plus 3. The other one is 4 over x. Now let's solve this one to find intersections. Negative 3 over 4x plus 3 equals 4 over 3x. You're going to move it to the right. Or times 12. Okay, that is better to get away integer equations. So times, okay, times 12 is okay. Times 12, 4 is out 3, right? Negative 9x plus times 12 is 36 times 12 over here, 16x. Okay, so 25x equals 36. So x equals what? 36 over 25. Let me see. This is a 1200. Okay, 1.44, right? That's the answer. Or you can use, right, the slope. Because this is, we know that when x is 8, y is what? 4 over 3a. Okay? So slope of this one should be 4 over 3. Let me see. Okay, this point is what, on this line, okay? Because we used the slope already. So put this point on the origin over here. So when x is a, y is 4 over 3a. So when x is a, 3a plus 4 times 4 over 3a must be equal to 12. From here we can find the value of a. A is what? X coordinate of that point. So 3a plus 16a over 3 equals 12. That is what? 9a over 3, right? So 25a over 9 equals 12. Okay? This is 3, right? So we continue. A equals what? 12 times. 3 times 12 is 36 and divided by 25. Each one have the same number over here, okay? Okay, you can solve this way too. This is number 10. Absolute value of minus 4. This is a turning point over here. Where is the turning point? This is the vertex point. When x is negative 5, y is negative 4. That is the turning point. When x is negative 5, this one is negative 4 over here. Okay, the graph looks like this. You know that this line is called what? X over symmetry. Okay, x equals 5. Same distance, they're going to have the same numbers. F of 0 over here, to the right, 0. This point, to the left, same distance, is going to have the same height. This is a 5 distance, the other also 5, okay? So negative 5 minus 10, 5 is what? Negative 10. They must be equal. Well, you can solve this one, okay, algebraically. Put this number 0 there. When x equals 0, that is what? Absolute 5 minus 4 equals 1, right? It should be equals 1 there. Put this number k again. F of k equals k plus 5 and minus 4 should be equals 1. You can solve it this way, okay? So k plus 5 equals 5. K plus 5 equals 5 or negative 5. Minus 5 both sides is going to be negative 0 and negative 10. When x equals 0, this one, right? Same as before. But we don't use this one. We're going to find the other point. Okay? This is 11. We have a vertex this point. But there's a translation. X plus 3 is what? 3 unit left. 8 unit down. That is translation. The point is over negative 2 and 5. The unit left is a plus minus 3 and 8 unit down is a minus 8. So new vertex is what? Negative 5 and negative 3 is the answer, okay? All right, number 12. This is a complex fractions. The best way to simplify this, you multiply is a common denominator, okay? X times x plus 3. So x times x plus 3. So x minus 3, x plus 3 is out, we got numerator, x squared, and 4 times x is out, we got x plus 3. Now denominator, x times x plus 3, and the minus 1 times x plus 3 is out, we got the x. So simplify, x squared minus 4x minus 12 over x squared minus plus 3x minus plus 2x. When you simplify, this is x minus 6 x plus 2. We still have, right, no equivalent, this one, right? We don't have this one. So we continue the work to simplify. Over x plus 2. So x plus 2 is out. Finally, you got x minus 6 over x. Okay, choice D is the answer, okay? Here is the number 13. When you simplify this one, we got to write this forms, a to the n. What is the value of n? You just simplify. Exponent form, a to the what? 6 over 5. A to the what? 4 over 5 over a to the what? 3 over 2. Sorry, 2 over 3, okay? So this one is a 6 plus 4, 10 divided by 5 is 2, and the a to the what? 2 over 3. This equals how much? 2 minus 2 over 3. Okay? So how much is this one? A to the what? 2 is 6 over 3. 6 minus 2, 4 over 3, okay? That is the value of n. 4 over 3. Choice B is the answer, okay? The number 14. So we have annual, okay, this is initial value. Opening the new saving account and bank offers 2.4%. This is annual interest rate. But we're going to use compounded quarterly every 3 months. So which of the following functions best represent? Compounded this one. Anyway, this is the initial, and 1 plus unit divided by 4 here, right? 0.024 divided by 4 is what? 0.006, okay? 0.006. This is a monthly rate. But compounded monthly or quarterly, I'm sorry, this is a quarterly rate, okay? This is a quarterly rate. We need the number of quarters. How do 4t, isn't it? Okay. So now put this number 15 there. So 2000. This is 1.006, and 4 times 15 years. The number of quarters is 60 quarters there. Okay. So choice D is the answer. Here is the number 15. Which of the following represent x minus 3? So we're going to change this form. For what value of x is going to have, right? X minus 3. So x minus, just a simple, okay, minus 4, isn't it? X minus 4 plus 1, that is x minus 3. Now put this number x minus 4 here, right? So where is the answer? Choice D is the answer, okay? Or to avoid the confusion, you can switch, right, the variable over here. K plus 1, this one, okay, original. K squared minus 1, because we can use any letter. Now we're going to change this one by k plus 1. Now we replace with x minus 1, 3, okay? What is that? K plus 1 equals x minus 3, replace. So what is the value of k? K equals what? X minus 4, right? Now put this number over there. So this one, x minus 3, replace. So what is the f of x minus 3? K equals x minus 4, n squared minus 1, right? Okay. You finish this one. Here is the number 16. This is 3 to the 1. It's going to have, right, same height. They're going to have, right, common height. So the area also what? 3 to the 1, right? If this is the 18, this is what? 3 times 54, isn't it? Okay. So total is 72. The other also 72. The area of total area of this rectangle is about 72 times 2 is 144 is the answer, okay? These two triangles are not similar, okay? They're going to share common height. Number 17 over here. We have a right triangle, 30, 60, and the CD, this is the square root 3. No, I'm sorry. CD, this is what? 10 red 3. But when you take a look at what is this triangle? This is 60, this is 30, also this is 30, right? Using exterior angle theorem. That's isosceles. This side also same length, 10 red 3. But this is a special right triangle, 30, 60, 90 degree. This is 10 red 3. This is half of that, 5 red 3. This one is what? 5 red 3 times another red 3, right? 2s, s red 3, okay? So when you simplify this one, 15 is the answer, okay? Number 18, the product of root is 10, okay? When you simplify it, okay, times 2, that is better. X squared minus 2, k squared minus 1, x plus 2k equals 0. You can use this one directly, it doesn't matter, okay? The product of root is what? Last one. C over A is 1, 2k, right? Product of root. So R1 times R2 equals 2k. That is equals 10. From here we can get the value of k is what? 5. Put this number 5 there. X squared minus 2. 25 minus 1 is 24. And the plus 10 equals 0. So where is the product? I'm going to do this one. Simplify. X squared minus 40, 8x, and plus 10, okay? Where is the product? Product is what is it? I'm sorry, sum of this one. Negative b over a, right? Okay, Vertex formula. So negative 48 over a is 1 equals to 48, okay? So sum of the root by Vertex formula will be 48. This is the answer, okay? We have a system of equations. We're going to find, okay, the solutions. It's not specialized, okay, so we have to solve for x and y. Times to first one, 2x plus 2y equals 10. 5x plus minus 2y equals to 8. When you addition 9x equal 18, x equal 2, right? When x equal 2, y is 1. It's okay, total is 10. So when x equal 2, y is 1 over 2 over here, okay? 3 over 2 is the answer. Here is the number 20. X minus 1 is a factor of this one. That means when you put this number 1 there, it should be 0. That is a factor here. Put this number 1 there. 1 plus x is 1, k squared, x is 1 plus 3, and minus 11 equals 0. They're asking you to find the value of k, which is positive. So, okay, 3k, I forgot this one. So, you solve this one. K squared plus 3k and minus 10 equals 0. When you factor this one, x plus 5, k plus 5, k minus 2 equals 0, okay? So, one is negative, the other one is positive. So, we're going to find this one, okay? So, k equals 2 is the answer, okay? Okay, we finished all number 20, okay? 20 questions. So, I'll see you next video to finish section 4, okay? Thanks for joining the lesson.